Hey everyone, it's Anna here with some truly mind-blowing news. The Universe Masterkey. This transformative tool is causing a stir because it unlocks the secret to manifesting your deepest desires. And guess what? It's already within you, just waiting to be unleashed. Trust me, you guys won't want to miss a single detail, so stick around until the end of this video. But before we really dive in, I have linked the official website in the description below. It is the only place to get the authentic Universe Masterkey, so make sure to check it out because there also is a lot of information. So imagine this, a powerful system that aligns your energy with the universe using techniques like visualization, affirmations, and meditation. The Universe Masterkey taps into the principles of the law of attraction and quantum physics to help you achieve your goals. Pretty incredible. And the best part, it helps you gain clarity and focus, accelerates the process of manifesting your desires, promotes inner peace, and boosts your confidence and self-belief. All you need to do is integrate it into your daily routine, and you can harness the power of the universe to create the life you have always dreamed of. Now, it is important to note that the Universe Masterkey is exclusively available on its official website, so be super cautious and make sure you guys are getting it from the right source. I have provided the official link down below to make things easier for you because your journey towards transformation should really start off on the right foot. So there you have it, the Universe Masterkey. It's like having the ultimate tool to unlock your true potential. If you're ready to tap into this transformative power and manifest your dreams, look no further. Check out the official website for all the information you need. The link is right in the description. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you have the best journey, and here's to a brighter, more fulfilling future. I'll see you guys later. Bye.